Hi, my name is Katie, I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to show you how to change the filter of your Dyson purifier. So for the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool, Dyson Pure Cool Tower and Dyson Pure Cool Desk, they have these identical clips on either side of the machine here. So firstly, make sure your machine is switched off, and then you need to push down on both of these clips at the same time and your filters will release. So we have our two HEPA filters in our silver cases here, and these need to be taken out. So you simply press on this button here and the filter will become loose. Same with the other side, press down on the purple button and these will slide out very easily. Now make sure you keep your silver shells to the side because we need to put our new HEPA filters into there. Now we need to take out our carbon filters. So there is two semicircular indents on either side of your carbon filter. So you just need to pull on both of these at the same time and this will come out really easily. Same on the other side. Just give them both a pull at the same time and they should come out like that. Now your new filter will come in 4 parts. You'll have 2 HEPA filters and 2 carbon filters. So to put the new carbon filters on, you simply push the filters against the body of the machine and clip it in until you hear that little click. Same with the other side, our second carbon filter, clip it in until you hear that click on both sides. Now we have our 2 new HEPA filters. They need to be placed inside our silver shells. So you simply line it up and slide it in, very similar to the way that we took the other ones out. So till you hear that click and you know that this button is in place on either side. Same with your other one. Slide it in and it's secure on both sides. Now we need to put our HEPA filters onto our machine. Same as the carbon filters, we just push this against the body of the machine, like so, until you hear that click. Same with the other side, push it against the body of the machine, until you hear that click. And we know that it's in place because this is aligned here, and this is aligned here. Now, if you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert. Or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag #AskADysonExpert.